Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. One question commonly we get asked is, what is a Do Not Resuscitate Order, DNR, and what do we do if someone says they have one in place? We asked a paramedic to explain more about these.
Some people's wishes are that if their heart were to stop and they go into cardiac arrest, they choose that they would rather die naturally and they do not want to be resuscitated. In those circumstances, they should have registered their wishes with their family and with their GP so that that is known, and so that they produce a formal document that can be presented so that we then follow their wishes and do not resuscitate them. If you are not medically trained to know what these documents look like and how to check they are genuine, we would encourage you to continue with resuscitation until the emergency services arrive. If you can find that documentation or somebody can provide it for you, just make sure it's to hand, so as soon as we arrive we can have a look and then act upon the wishes of the patient and make the right decision under those circumstances.